So welcome to NFX. In this video we are going to learn how to create this root system procedurally. So I found some references for this. So one is this, and this one single straight root and sub branches is there. This is also one reference. This is also another reference. So we are not going to exact copy these branches. We are creating our own styles. Like I already made this root. So let's do it. So first of all, I took a plane, I mean grid, and rotate it in x direction 90 degree and little bit up. Now I'll draw a curve. In the curve node, I'll go projection. So in the projection type, I'll choose geometry. So I can draw the curve on the grid. So I'll just press enter, and now I can draw the curve like I want, and I also create sub branches here. So I draw this curve. Now what I'm going to do, I'm separate these all branches. So for separating, you can see we have this 10 branches right here. So we have to separate it. So I'll just select this branch and delete, and select this, delete non-selected. So I have this branch, and now I'll duplicate this here and click on this arrow button and select the another branch and enter. So I select this all the branches like this. So we have 3 branches right now. I'll take a carve node. So in the carve node, we can animate this curve like this. So now what I'm going to do, I'll animate this parameter second u around 60 frames. And here we get our animated curve. Now I'll take this sample node we have this lot of points, so I will decrease the points count here and turn on here the car view attribute. This attribute will help us to adjust the radius of this curve. So I will take a point warp node here. I will go inside and here I will take bind and take a bind export and also a ramp parameter. So I'll connect this here and this one here, and here I'll change the name car view which I copied earlier, and out bind export I can change the name whatever I want. So I'll type here radius and copy this name, and now I'll take a poly wire so we have our thickness in our curve, so we can increase it here. Right now we have the overall thickness. We want our root is thinner downside and thicker upside. So how we can do that? I'll just copy the name here which I create in the point warp node, and here I'll type add radius, multiply with some values. Right now this is invert. The upside is thinner and downside is thicker. See, we want opposite. So what we have to do, just select this point warp node and we create the ramp here, and I have to change this in linear. No, I have to change the ramp type to RGB color ramp to spline ramp. And now in the outside we can change the thickness here. Oops. So we can increase the multiplier here. So as you can see, we have now our thickness. Upside is thicker and downside is thinner. We can increase the subdivide also, so we can get proper round shape root, proper round shape. So now we have our main branch. Now what we are going to do, we have this main curve here, and when it's touch the another curve here, the second curve is here. Wait, I'll just merge it here, all three curves. So the upper curve is this one and second curve is here. So I'll just template this curve here. So when it cuts the second curve, I have to animate the this second curve. So around 20. In the 20th frame, I just copy this carve node and connect it graph editor here and move this key to 20. So now you can see our main branch is coming, and when it touches the second, no, it's not coming properly. So what I have to do, I just linear this curve, and I think it should work fine. Yeah, now it's coming properly. So our first curve is coming, when touch the second curve and it's creating the second curve. We can adjust the second curve animation by using this second U option. The rest process will be the same. Just copy this all three nodes and paste here. So now we can merge it. You can see there is some jerking here. Our root is shaking. So what I have to do, I just resample it here and should be fixed. Yes. So we have to add resample node before the car. So I already make here the root system. So I'll draw this roots and separate it by blast. So we have 10 or 12 branches around here, and just smooth it here, and resample it, then carve and create the ramp here for radius, and polygon, and here I'll just create a name width, and for texture I just project the UVs from the front side. Yeah, that's it. And do the same process all for all the branches, and we got this. And here this is for the exploding. I just clean the unwanted points and all, and just add normals and export it here. I create this root system for my some project, so that's why I thought I should make a tutorial for this also. So thanks for watching.